Hey everyone, today in this video we're going to be checking out the Belkin. This is their 6-outlet wall charger with USB A and C ports. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Take a look at the retail box and packaging. We need this because our outlet right here is full and we have more devices that we need to connect here below the TV. So let's go ahead, let's open this up and see what's inside. Inside you'll find the product itself and some product literature with some FCC and safety instructions. Looking at our surge protector right here, take a look, front and center, 2 outlets, our USB Type-C and Type-A. We also have an indicator light here to let us know if it's grounded and protected or not. We have our side outlets there and the other side. Again, this is a 6-outlet surge protector. Belkin logo and branding on the top. And here's a look at the back side right there. Now let's go ahead, let's get it installed. All right, here's a look at our surge protector installed. It's just truly plug and play. And on the front, you'll see our indicator lights right here. So currently it's protected and it is grounded. If you're seeing this light illuminated, just make sure you have it pushed in far enough on your wall outlet and see if that light goes off. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. All right, so far so good. We got 2 surround sound speakers connected and a Nintendo Switch right here. Everything's working great, still protected. We don't have the non-grounded light lit up, but watch as I go ahead and I push it. So if it's not seated properly, that will trigger pretty quickly, at least for our outlet. And this is a new basement here too with fresh electrical. So interesting that there's a little bit of give here with, I guess, how our outlets at the wall, where that will trigger that pretty easily. So just make sure after you plug stuff in, you get it seated properly and don't touch it. Now we're testing out the USB ports. Here's our Type A. We're showing 5.19 volts. And now we have a Google Pixel 6a connected and we're showing 5.1 volts and 1.46 amps. Now I'm going to show you the USB Type C results here, but unfortunately our tester isn't working with this Type C report. We've plugged it in and out multiple times, tried all of that, and we haven't had any luck. But if I just use a regular USB Type-C cable here and I connect my phone, it will still charge, so we know the port itself is working. So overall, this is just a very simple surge protector from Belkin that gives you 6 outlet flexibility and having 2 USB ports as well. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to expand your power ports and still have Belkin surge protection, this could be the product for you. In the future, I'd like to see a little bit more stability with this being plugged in, to have it designed in a way that if you're going to plug or unplug something or move this around a little bit, that you don't have the same issue that we have here with it potentially being ungrounded. And I also noticed there's no reset switch or anything else for this product. So in the off chance that you'd ever need to reboot the surge protector itself, you'll be disconnecting everything from the wall and then plugging it all back in.